Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and now just select the sound section. Here you can see that our ringtone notification volume is just disabled. Just to turn it on, swipe with the finger these dots to the right side. And that's it. Also we got the second way I'll show you, just by pressing on your volume buttons here on the right side of your phone. Just press on the left or to the up or to the down volume button and go here to the settings icon, and here you will see also this panel with your media call, ring and alarm volumes, and just here swipe with your finger to the right side these dots and tap to done. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.